Hello and welcome to the Unit 1.1 Unit 1 midweek check-in. Now, I've already been fielding some questions about enforcing referential integrity, and that is one of the items where when you link two tables together, one of the questions it asks in reference to the teachers and the classes is you want to eventually run a query that says, here's the classes that don't have teachers assigned. But if you link the classes table to the teachers table through the teacher ID, and when you link them together, it should be a one-to-many relationship. And if you have the checkbox that's marked enforce referential integrity, what it requires is in order to add a class in the class table, you're going to have to put the teacher ID of one that exists in the teacher table. So you can't then do the query that says, hey, pull a list of all the classes without teacher assigned. So when you do the one-to-many relationship, make sure that enforce referential integrity is unclicked. If you don't know how to get, if you've already made that table and you're not sure how to get to it, there should be a little line in your table and in your database view or whatever, where you have the two tables. There should be a little line between the two, and if you double-click on that line, it'll then come up with the item that should say enforce referential integrity. But that leads me into the next part. A lot of these problems cascade off of one another. So if I have to do such and such in problem challenge 1, problem challenge 2 requires that you did what it did in problem challenge 1. And then later on in different chapters, sometimes they use the same thing, and something that you considered, oh, I don't have to worry about that, it still works fine, you're then trying to do something 3 chapters later that it links into, and because you didn't do it in the first chapter or the second chapter, then it doesn't work, right? So, what you've got to do is you have to make sure to do all those little nuances, and if you don't understand something, you have to talk to me so I can either say, yeah, don't worry about it, or this is how you get through it. So either way, good class so far, good discussion. I like what's going on there. I talk a lot with my hands. Don't know if you noticed that. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. Otherwise, things are going well. Appreciate your time.